5 great exercises to improve your eyesight. Hello everyone, my name is Sviatoslav and I have improved my vision naturally without lenses, glasses or surgeries. You can improve your eyesight also. In this video, I want to tell you about the 5 great exercises to improve your eyesight. First exercise is relaxation. Any eye exercise for the eyes should begin with rest. For example, you were working on a laptop and decided to do eye exercises. First of all, you need to relax your eyes for the correct technique for performing the eye exercises. Simply close your eyes for 10 seconds and imagine how your eyes are relaxing and relieving tension. And even more relaxing exercise is palming. You can find palming video on my channel. Second, dynamic relaxation is the best preparation for any eye exercise. Dynamic relaxation technique: we sit on a chair, close our eyes and begin to sway from the right to the left. Nice and smooth. You need to feel the state in which your body swings automatically. You need to find a state in which are especially feeling good and you want to be in it. The state of dynamic relaxation sets the pace for performing oculomotor exercises. There is a relaxation of the psyche and eye. Third, the most effective exercise that is suitable is looking at the contour of the circle, clockwise and counterclockwise. To do this, draw a circle on the wall, approximately 1.5 meters in diameter or 6 feet. We relax our eyes and look along the contour of the circle in one direction and in another direction. Fourth exercise is a treatment for astigmatism, suitable for people with nearsightedness and farsightedness, and helps to cure astigmatism. We relax our eyes, look up for about 3 seconds, close our eyes and wait until eyes return to the center. Relaxly look to the left for about 3 seconds, close eyes and wait until eyes return to the center. We look to the right approximately 3 seconds, close our eyes and wait until eyes return to the center. We don't look down because in 99% of people the lower rectus muscle are much more developed, since we very often look down under our feet, at the phone, at the computer, and they're below eye level. You can experiment. Close your eyes and gently look up under closed eyelids in a relaxed way. Then wait until your eyes return to the center. Relax and look down. Moving eyes down is much easier because the lower rectus eye muscle is more trained. This is bad because when the eyes get tired, they begin to pull the eyeballs towards herself and refraction is disturbed, and this double in the eyes, and it's called astigmatism. Fifth exercise is soft blinking. Blinking is the most necessary exercise to improve vision. Blinks helps to focus at different distances. For example, you looked into the distance, blink softly and relax, and oblique eye muscle relax, and the rectus muscle of the eyes tighten and the eyes refocus into the distance. To blink correctly, place 2 fingers on the weight area and blink using only eyelids, and is nothing moves under the fingers. This is the correct blinking without straining your eyebrows. You have to blink every second, then the eyes will not get tired and will be in a relaxed state. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel so as not to miss useful videos to improve your vision and the health of your eyes.